Hello friends, today I am coming with new informative video of northeastern state in Manipur. This is the Abba waterfall at Lemta, Rienta place in Tamenglong district of Manipur. Yes, this video was captured by villagers on the 19 August in this month. The village has also a lake called Chahojai. The village is having many rare species wildlife, but this waterfall is the highest waterfall in Manipur. It is about 800 feet according to the forest official, divisional forest official Hitler. He told me this is the first waterfall of the height in the 800 feet. The villagers is having many rare species of this wildlife. This site can be developed as a beautiful ecotourism destination. Now, they thought Khayang waterfall is the highest waterfall in the Manipur with 745 feet. Senapati to Lemta via Willong village about 80 km to reach in this northern side of the Tamei subdivision of Tamenglong district. But the forest official decided that this is the only height 800 feet falls in Tamenglong in Tamei subdivision. This Tamenglong district in Manipur, situated near the Willong area of the Khasi hills, just bordering area, but it is in Manipur area. But people are now capturing this area and for urge the government to promote a ecotourism sector in here. Divisional forest officer Taila informed the government official and he reached the spot. Thank you. Please like